This is the Remark exhaust. Really nice. So we're gonna go no mufflers. Muffler delete. Use a 14mm wrench to take off this bolt. And there's take off that hanger. Once you have that out, the rubber stopper hanger out from that support, you can just pull it out. It might take a while because it took us like 20 minutes just to get this out. So this is the rubber. Take this out. And there's one right here. I'll put the rubber hanger back on. There it is. So the next is put on the gasket. So once you have this installed, it's time to move on to the other one. So do the same step as we did on this one. And let's go. Since we have the car jacked up, we're gonna install diffuser onto the car. And according to Subi Speed, these one help reduce drag and put more downforce on your car, so it's more aerodynamic. And it looks good too. So let's go. And this is the non-aggressive version. To install these rivet nuts into these holes, you need to use this nut that came with it, put it in like this, and use this bolt, screw it in, use the Allen key right here. Let's try one. Put this up, use this to hold it in place, and use the Allen key to turn. We can take this off. And there it is. It's all tight. You want it snug. Once you have your rivet installed, it's time to put the side piece on, which is look like this. So you want to do is put this underneath and use to include the hardware. Use the washer. Put one on first. Secure it. secure this first, not too tight, and then work your way down with another bolt. So now go ahead and tighten all these. Next, take off this bolt on the sway bar. And loosen up the bolt on the top. Do that for the other side as well. So install this into your sway bar mount. Make sure you loosen up the top bolt first to create a little gap in between. So lift this up and slide this in. Is it like this? So once you have all the side fitted on and your brackets installed, it's time to install the other brackets right here. These brackets. So make sure the slotted holes on the bottom. Make sure you have the side like this going up. And now install it. Yeah. Okay. And I'll do the one on here as well. Have all the brackets. It's time to put on the diffuser, and we're gonna connect these bolts into the back of the bracket.
Perfect.
So that's how it should look like in the back of the diffuser. You want to make sure the diffuser is coming from the back side of that bracket, and that bracket connects to the sway bar bolt. Okay, quick recap. Make sure you have these rivet nuts secured with the first fin, and this is just to hold it up for now. You're gonna need to put the bolts in these areas, and we still need to add this fin in between here. Alright, let's go. So you have 3 different size spacers. It depends on what looks you want to go with. Smaller gap, medium gap, or larger gap when you put it on here. Can you see it? So, larger one looks like that. Medium one, it looks like that, and a smaller one, this looks like that. So we like the tighter fitment, so we're gonna go with the smaller spacer. So right now we're gonna put this fin on here, so make sure this is on the outside, this is on the inside, and your fin fits on the inside, like in the middle. Make sure everything's tightened. And here's the fitment. Not pretty, but it'll work. And to make these fit, push these up.
Pass me the Allen wrench.
What?
Allen wrench, yeah.
Like that. And then tighten these bolts. Alright, everything should be tight. Now let's move on to the other bracket. Next part is to put the spacers onto this bracket right here. I got the nut ready, so let's put the spacer in. Put them back side. Push the bracket. But we can't fit it with the smallest screw. We're gonna use the longest screw with the medium spacer. This is the last bolt of the piece. Long screw, medium spacer.
Okay, there you go.
Now everything's installed, we're gonna start up and see how the exhaust sounds. So a little update on the exhaust. I had installed these in around Christmas time and been using it for around 2 weeks. I love it. I love the sound, but since the new law come out in California that prevents the use of aftermarket exhaust or modified exhaust, I'm gonna have to return this back to stock for now. So this is the exhaust I have. It's the Remark Muffler Delete. So according to the law of the new exhaust law, you can't have a modified exhaust that have excess amount of noise above 95 decibel, and it must have a muffler along with the system. So this one is a muffler delete, so it doesn't have the muffler. I love how this exhaust sounds, but for now I'm gonna have to return this back to stock. But before we return back to stock, we're gonna make a little video clip of how loud this exhaust is. So let's go. As you can see, it never got over 90 decibel for the muffler delete. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye.